Hey everyone, this is Bob with Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina. Open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Website available anytime, www.ncHorsetrailers.com. We're taking a peek at a new 2024 Shadow Rancher. This is a 16-foot stock trailer. 16 foot on the floor plus the gooseneck, so approximately 23.5 feet overall length. These open slat sides or stock sides are available, which we have here to have plexi inserts placed in those little rails running along the length of the two sides, and of course on the rear gate as well. Being a stock trailer, this is going to have our cut gate release. 16-foot box on this is going to have the cut gate at the 8-foot mark. There's a peek at our wheels. Fully extruded aluminum siding, both sides as well as on the rear gate, which I have open. Of course, this is a full swing or a half slide gate on this. LED lighting package. Does have the switch for that external load light right there at your convenience. Rubber mats over wood flooring, 20-year warranty on that wood flooring. Shadow offers a 7-year structural warranty on the trailer itself. Step up in. We have this open, showing you the full 16 feet of the box. We do have lights in both of the box stall. We do have that gooseneck for storage or some very primitive camping. And of course, this latches up and in. Comes completely out. Just release all 4 of the spring pins. But now you got your gear separated from your animals. Okay, now we put our cut gate in place. And we have our rear box stall. This trailer's only 3660 empty weight. It is available. It's brand new, 2024. There's that rear swinging gate on the back. Again, extruded aluminum all the way down to this, call it a tack room door. No separate tack room on this unit. I do have one with a 4-foot tack room. And there's that drop or remove panel up front. 16 feet from there to the rear of the trailer. All right, this one's available. Kingdom Horse Trailers, Henderson, North Carolina. www.ncHorsetrailers.com. My name is Bob. You can reach me at 919-930-6127 or anytime on the web, www.ncHorsetrailers.com. Be sure and check out our YouTube channel. We update it several times a week. And if you like and subscribe, you'll be one of the first to know about all new inventory, new and used, and any specials or incentives we're running. Be the first to know. Thanks so much.